My dear learner, welcome to Color Pharma. Today we are going to discuss about assay procedure, calculation, how to write the result for paracetamol assay according to IP'96. Let us say that this is the title of topic, Assay of Paracetamol by UV Spectrophotometry. It is not written that you follow IP'96 procedure, but if any assay we are going to discuss, we must follow the procedure which is given in a pharmacopoeia. So aim is to perform assay of paracetamol by UV spectrophotometry according to IP'96. So what are the requirements? The first requirement is chemicals. What are the chemicals we need? Paracetamol, 0.1 molar NaOH solution. How to prepare a 0.1 molar NaOH solution? That is also I prepared one video. Next is glassware. So in glassware we require 200 ml volumetric flask, quantity 1, 100 ml volumetric flask, quantity 2, 10 ml prepared 2, measuring cylinder 100 ml that required of 1, instrument we require that is UV visible spectrophotometer, then sonicator, then weight balance. So among this all requirement if we have, we can easily perform the assay. Let us see the procedure first. So this is the tablet that is also you have to write in your record book that it containing 650 milligram. The 650 milligram is known as a label claim. So in the procedure, it is written that weight and powder a 20 tablet. Whenever we are performing the assay, normally we will take the 20 tablets. So the second step is weight accurately and quantity of a powder equivalent. This is important term for us. That is an equivalent. So what is that? Equivalent to about a 0.15 gram of a paracetamol in a 200 ml volumetric flask. Now to calculate a amount of powder required, what we need is average weight. Suppose I have taken a average weight of tablet. Average weight of tablet is a 950 milligram. So what I can write here, a 950 milligram tablet powder contain 650 milligram PCM or paracetamol. So how many we required? We required is a 0.15 gram. That means 150 milligram PCM required how many gram or milligram tablet powder. Okay, tablet powder. If we do the calculation of this one, we are getting 150 divided by 650 into 950. So the answer is about 219.23 milligram of tablet powder required. Tablet powder required. So to take a 0.15 milligram of paracetamol, we must have to take a powder 219 milligram tablet powder. So 150 milligram is paracetamol and the remaining about a 70 milligram is a excipient which is present in the tablet. So this is the first procedure. So how many milligram of tablet powder we required is about 219 milligram. Let us see the procedure next. That 219 milligram you have to keep it into the, okay, just I erase it. That 219 milligram tablet powder you need to weigh on weight balance and transfer into 200 ml volumetric flask. After that, add a 50 ml 0.1 molar NaOH, add a 50 ml 0.1 molar NaOH solution in that. Then it is diluted with 100 ml water and shake for 15 minutes. Then again add a 100 ml water, shake for 15 minutes, then diluted up to mark with water. So first we take the powder, second we add 0.1 normal NaOH, then we add water, then dilute up to the mark. A next step is the filter the solution, and from the filtrate you can take, just I change the pen color, so we have to take a filtrate 10 ml. That 10 ml into 100 ml volumetric flask and make up to the mark 100 ml with water, right? Then the next is, from that you take a further 10 ml volumetric flask, 10 ml solution, and that 10 ml solution add into the 100 ml volumetric flask. In that you add a 10 ml 0.1 molar NaOH solution and then diluted up to the mark with water. Mix and diluted up to the mark. Now this is a ready solutions for you to measure the absorbance of the resulting solution at 257 nanometer. That is used for the measurement. Then calculate the content of paracetamol, taking 715 as the value of a 1% 1 centimeter at the maximum at about 257 nanometer. So how to do the calculations? For that, one video is there, which is you can see in the right corner of your YouTube, that I have prepared, and keep it there. So based on that you can do the calculation for the same procedure. So let us write the dilution scheme. The dilution scheme is to make a easy procedure to do the assay as well as for the calculation. So what is that? 219.23 milligram tablet powder. Okay, that we have to take. That tablet powder is keep into a 200 ml volumetric flask. First add a 50 ml 0.1 normal NaOH solution. Second, add 100 ml water. Then third, diluted up to mark with water. Second step is, in second step, filter, take 10 ml of filtrate. The 10 ml of filtrate add into the 100 ml volumetric flask. Make up to the mark with water. Then further take 10 ml of this solution, and add into a 100 ml volumetric flask, then diluted up to mark with water. Then we have two possibility, take absorbance. In UV at 257 nanometer, and a 1% 1 centimeter is 715. Okay, so this dilution scheme help you when you perform the assay. Every time you do not require to see the whole procedure, and the schematic will help you, as well as in a assay calculation video also I have given the calculation in one formula based on a dilution scheme. You can go through that and do the calculation. After doing this calculation, we have a result. Result is written in this format. Assay of paracetamol tablet, you have to write a brand name at here. Whatever you have was found to be that much percentage weight by UV spectrophotometer. Next is stated value. That value is given in IP'96. The paracetamol tablet contains not less than 95% and not more than 105% of a stated amount of paracetamol that is given in IP. So if you are getting a value between assay value between 95 to 105, then the conclusion is paracetamol tablet brand name that was pass and cross that as per assay procedure IP'96. अगर ऐसा होता, if the value is 92 or it is 107, then you can say that paracetamol tablet brand name that was fail as per assay procedure IP'96. In that way you can write in your procedure and record. Next is some study questions are there. So that are the study question. This comment is absorptivity is independent to the organic compound. The first comment is this one. Second comment is draw the dilution scheme for preparation of 25 ppm solution with 3 steps only. Third one is write down the structure of the 3 drug having the phenolic functional group. Fourth one is write down stated value of ascorbic acid from IP. And fifth one is convert a 3% weight by volume into the ppm. So this is the procedure, assay, calculation. For the calculation, I have prepared one video that you can see in the right corner of your YouTube. So thank you for listening that. I will upload a further video for this one and you can share to your colleagues to understand the procedure for assay IP'96. Thank you. Thanks a lot.